I got a cold and I was hunting for my precious plantain leaves. Plantain leaves, they have these lines, very recognizable. So you will see immediately which kind of leaves they are. This is just a wild plant that you can find in parks and gardens. So be mindful that actually nature is providing you with amazing plants that heal you. Because I've been, suffering from a little cold and I want to improve my voice, I'm going to use the plantain leaves. They are known for being extremely good for your symptoms of flu, of cold, and all respiratory tracts issues. But also for asthma, they're really, really good. Usually it's enough to make a tea with 7 leaves. That's what I've been reading, and now I'm going to make tea. And some of the leaves, they were all washed, and then I dry them. So this is the process already of getting dried, and you can save it for a long time so it can go. Whenever you're picking it up from the wilderness, do not pick them all from one plant. So just go from plant per plant and take like 3 leaves. So it's balanced. If it has more leaves, so it's okay. Now look at mom.
Coitada.
De quê? She's criticizing me.
Coitada.
Mamãe, estou a fazer um vídeo e está-me a chamar coitada.
Coitada.
Mas coitada de quê?
Fala sozinha.
Mom is like, poor you. Why? Why poor me? Because you're speaking alone. This is hilarious. Okay, I'm going to put this in the video. I'm not going to take it out because this is life and it's cooking with stories. And this is my story. So, beautiful grandma with 91. She comes to, she should have a channel. I'm serious. So this is already a dry leaf, which is absolutely perfect. That's what you buy in the supermarkets, when you're going to buy tea, it's already dried. So I wash them, I disinfect them, and then I put them to dry. And now I'm going to make some tea because I wanted to see how it is. I love it, and especially when it's like this time of the night, it's like beautiful tea, cozy, it's perfect. That's it. Let's start to make some tea. I have some fresh leaves and some dry leaves. Let's do it. I'm going to mix them both. And just so simple. What is it? It's the leaves. I'm going just to drop them inside. Boom. Can you hear it? Look. Oh, by the way, do you like my plate? This is so old, it's unbelievable. This is like really traditional. I love it. Sometimes you just go from tacky to traditional and vintage, and this is it. This is it. Okay, now I'm just going to add water. Adding water, right? Not just adding water. Simple. Now let it infuse. And that's it. Let it sit for approximately 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and then you drink it. And then the voice, it's so funny because as soon as you start drinking it, your voice gets clearer immeditely. So another thing that I love about this tea is that you get such a good mood. It's unbelievable. Look at the leaves. Learn how the leaves are. Look, they're so cute. Mwah. Now it's time to taste. It's very light. I just pour, normally it's like 7 leaves for a cup or so, or 2 cups. Now I made like a liter, so I made a little bit more intense, and it's perfumed. It has a very light smell, like maybe a light lemongrass smell. And you could hear my voice before and now. Do you see the difference? It's immediate. And this is amazing because mom was saying, it's like, it's true. It's immediate effect. So it's amazing. It's unbelievable. You start having it, it have like a little bit of a cold tone, and then you don't have it anymore. How is this possible? It is possible because this is not magic. It's just what nature gives us, and we treat it as weeds. You know, this is what we have around. So this is the universe inviting us to feel better. Love you. Cheers to you. Happy Veganuary. And this is using what nature gives us for free. For free. And it's so soothing. And look at my voice. The way I started the video and now. So it has it's unbelievable, isn't it? You can hear it. You can hear it. You can see the difference. It's unbelievable. I feel the difference. It just makes you feel better. It helps with the asthma symptoms throughout the day. You just have to drink it consistently. So respect nature. Go to forage these wonderful leaves and learn more about these benefits that are just available for us. And that's amazing. And don't allow anyone to spray the weeds or the weeds. This is not weed. This is healing. Don't allow anyone to spray any weeds This is what you can find for free in every park, gardens, and everything. So it's so healing. It's so balancing for your respiratory tract, and we cannot damage our soils, our plants, and even the animals around us, especially the bees. So protect nature because nature protects us. And you can hear the difference right now. Well, thank you so much for watching and welcome to Veganuary.